In the meantime, some retailers are refuting suggestions of price gouging in light of ballooning food prices. It's the final in our ongoing series exploring the impact of inflation on customers' pockets. Details in this report.
From retailers in electronics,
we have no other choice. It's not like we want to raise stuff, but we have no other choice.
And food.
When they come to the supermarket to shop, they have to put back some of their items because of the price increases.
The essential items, unfortunately, people can't cut back on those because they need it. You understand? So as much as those prices do increase, they don't increase by much. You might see a $5 or $10 here or there.
The cries have been the same from consumers, particularly those who are finding it hard to make ends meet. But retailers are also experiencing their own price crisis.
Some of the prices are really out there based on as I said, the fluctuation of the dollar and also the energy costs. Because all the major suppliers, they approach us with price increases on their items.
Suppliers, they are raising on us. To ship a container, it's very costly at the moment.
We do face the challenges of the goods getting here late or getting here slow. But what we try to do, we try to use substitutes. You understand? So if we have a similar product, we try to buy more of it. Like for instance, now we can't get the red label wine. So we push Cal's or we push other fruit wines because it's baking season now.
From all indications, it will be some time before things improve. Still, retailers we spoke with say they've come up with ways to ease some of the burden from the consumer.
If you notice, we have a special corner where we have buy one, get one, and they're really buying on it. The customers really buying on those items because they're items that is like everyday use, like the sardines, baked beans, you name it.
They're also rubbishing claims of price gouging and insist they have little control over the current situation. In the meantime, shoppers are being urged to change some of their spending habits.
Buy what you can afford. You know what I mean? They're I'm not saying they're inferior products, but they're other products as well. You know what I mean? Maybe of the same quality, you understand? Not of the same brand name, but of the same quality.
Janella Perseus, TVJ News.